So some of the trends in the market these days that are having an effect are the inflation and COVID. There's these severe cat losses that are happening, climate change causing these cat losses, and all of this has an effect on reinsurance prices, the hardening market. In order to be able to withstand these price increases in this hardening market in the reinsurance industry, insurers are going to have to increase rates in order to afford it. Increasing rates can be tricky because everybody's feeling the impact of the market, and the whole world is feeling the impact of these price increases, and it's not just reinsurance and insurance, but it's going to affect the insureds ultimately, because they do have to, they'll have to pay the price for the insurance. Most likely there'll be some mergers or just some companies that just can't make it. So there's a lot of coverages that are new in the farm space, and they're really taking off. So some of those would include the agribusiness markets. Farmers are getting creative. Other ways to bring in income, from hay rides to mazes, corn mazes. They're allowing people to come in and set up their trailers on the farm, and then they can go in and pick their own vegetables and just kind of set up for a weekend where they don't have to be around people. This really started during COVID when it took off. It's very popular, and there's definitely a need for a product to insure those types of businesses. Those are top priority for us right now, to get those created for our insurers, because that is a high demand in the market. What we're working on right now are building out the farm owners products. So we are modernizing the language and providing the policies with more flexibility so they can build them up to what they need for their insurers. So for instance, we're modernizing language, and it's going to be consistent across all product lines, as well as providing exclusions that are needed, such as the home sharing and some of the agribusiness activities that are happening. But at the same time, creating and providing these endorsements, so if they would like to cover those, they're able to. So it does provide a level of flexibility. We view our members as partners of ours, and so we want them to succeed, and so we want to make sure we're providing everything that they need and listening to them and give the feedback they're giving us, so we can create a better product and they can be more successful.